top vlogging cameras available at affordable prices. Do you want to become the best vlogger? If yes, then you must upgrade your vlogging game through the best vlogging camera because viewers only watch the best and enhanced quality videos. So here are a few best vlogging cameras for 2024 along with their details for better comprehension of their functions. Sony ZV-E1. An easy-to-operate and compact camera consisting of a plethora of compelling features with the lightest full-frame camera. Its features include 4K 60p footage in all lighting conditions, integrated advanced quality AI smart features. Moreover, it also offers auto-framing reliably tracks, which is a great choice whenever you are recording alone. DJI Pocket 3. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is substantially one of the best cameras for content creators that would enhance your video quality and provide satisfactory results to appeal to the viewers. It's surely a perfect choice, especially when it comes to vlogging because it consists of a wide range of captivating features including its support for remote mics, 1-inch sensor and 2-inch rear LCD cement, 4120p great slow-mo footage, etc. Additionally, it is available at affordable prices. Sony ZV-1. Another best camera for YouTube vlogging is available in a versatile and compact packaging, featuring a 1-inch sensor which can generate crisp detailed 4K 30p video. Also provides a broad 20mm lens as well as a smartphone-style interface for reduced rates, etc. Fujifilm X-S20. Fujifilm X-S20 is an outstanding camera for vlogging consisting of every feature that a good vlogging camera should have, available at higher prices with a user-friendly interface. It supports the exact 26.1mpx Trans-CMOS4 sensor as the XS10 and XT4, which offers enhanced video quality 6K 30p 422 to 10-bit internal recording, and improved battery life as well as in body image stability. It's a great camera providing better video graphics but is slightly higher in price as compared to the other cameras. Nikon Z30. Nikon Z30 is a compact APS-C camera with excellent grip, making it a comfortable option for all users for all kinds of shoots, including solo shoots. It has a 3.0-inch display with an intuitive interface. Users can also switch it to selfie mode. It is available in a limited lens range with 1650mm kit glass and 4K 30p and HD 120p video.